Hey everybody, this is Andrew with A.L. Johnson Life Insurance Agency. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you a little information about a policy that we don't talk about enough. And so when it comes to life insurance, there are two major types that you hear about all the time. You have term life insurance and you have whole life insurance. There's a video in our archives that explains both of those in great detail. And so definitely check that out. But for a quick recap, term life insurance eventually terminates. That's how you can remember how it works. And so when you purchase that policy, just know that in a certain period of time, that policy is going to go away. So term life insurance is purchased for temporary needs. And so say if you have a mortgage for 30 years, you can get a 30-year term to match that time frame. And once the policy terminates, you're okay with it because the home is paid off and that's why you purchased it. That's what term life insurance can be used for, temporary needs. Whole life insurance is exactly the way it sounds. It lasts for your entire life. Now, because the insurance company is on the hook forever, they do charge you more for that whole life policy. There are a couple of components that go into the price. One is the age you are at the time that you take out the policy. Two is how long does the policy last? And three is, does the policy build cash value or not? Well, there's a little known policy that you really don't hear a lot about. It's called universal life. I liken it to a universal remote. And so when you go to the store, you purchase a universal remote, the expectation is that it's going to fit or work with most televisions. Right? There's going to be rare instances where it isn't a good fit. That's how I feel about universal life insurance. So let me explain. You're able to get a low cost policy like term life insurance, remember, because it terminates. But instead of the company only giving you options of 10, 15, 20, or 30 years, or to ages such as 65 or 80, a universal life insurance policy will allow you to have coverage all the way to age 120. And so essentially it acts like a whole life policy in the fact that it can be structured in a way that it won't be outlived. But you can cut down the cost on the policy by not having cash value accumulate. And so some people believe in buying term and investing the difference, and they feel that you shouldn't get whole life insurance. This is actually a happy median, because it is true that life insurance isn't the best investment vehicle, because of course there's the cost of insurance that's added in. And so you're going to get better returns directly in the market. But when you're looking at your long-term life insurance situation, it's important that there's always some type of coverage there. I don't feel comfortable setting up a client with a policy that's going to be gone in 20 or 30 years and leave them in their senior years when they're more likely to have health conditions that would disqualify them from getting a new policy. I think it's better to have that coverage extended for as long as possible, and universal life is an affordable way to do that. If you have any questions about your specific situation and would like more information about a universal life policy, reach out to me. Again, I'm Andrew with A.L. Johnson Life Insurance Agency. I've been a broker for the past 12 years. I work with several companies and I can find a great plan for you and your family. Just reach out to me. My website is aljohnsongroup.com. You can inbox me on any social media. I'm at A.L. Johnson. But thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.